So we need to find the equation of the quadratic function whose graph is shown right here. Let's write down the standard form of any quadratic function. This is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Now we can just try, so we have 2 points which we know. These points are -1 and 4 and -3 and 8. We also, if we look closer, we can see another point right here, which is easy to determine. This point is 0, so x is equal to 0 because it's on y-axis, and y is equal to 5 here, so it's 0, 5. So we have 3 points. Let's try to substitute x and y values at this point into our function. So let's start with point, for example, -3, 8. So here x is equal to -3, y is equal to 8. So if we substitute, we get that a times -3 squared plus b times -3 plus c is equal to 8. -3 squared is 9, so 9a plus -3b, so just -3b, plus c is equal to 8. So this is the first equation we get. Now let's try to substitute the second point. Let's substitute 0, 5. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. We get that a times 0 plus b times 0 plus c is equal to 5. This means that c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5. Well, now we can substitute c in this equation. So we got that 9a minus 3b plus 5 is equal to 8. So 9a minus 3b is equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. Great, and now let's work with the last point. Our third point, it's -1, 4. -1 and 4. X is equal to -1. Y is equal to 4. So we get that a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus 5, because we know that c is 5, is equal to 4. Let's simplify it. -1 squared is 1, so it's just a minus b plus 5 is equal to 4. A minus b is equal to 4 minus 5, which is -1. Well, now we have 2 equations. A minus b is equal to 1 and 9a minus 3b equals to 3. So we just kind of need to solve the system of equations. Let me copy paste this equation right here. So from the first equation we get that a is equal to b minus 1, and now we can just substitute a in this equation with b minus 1, and we get that 9 times b minus 1 minus 3b is equal to 3. 9b minus 9 minus 3b equals to 3. That means that 6b equals to 9 plus 3, which is 12. So b is equal to 12 over 6, and this is 2. Well, if b is equal to 2, then a is equal to b minus 1. So a is equal to 2 minus 1, and it's equal to 1. Well, we have all our coefficients. We have a, b, and c. So now we can actually write down our quadratic function. So y is equal to, a is equal to 1, so just x squared. B is equal to 2, so it's plus 2x. And c is equal to 5, so it's plus 5. Well, this is our quadratic function. We needed to find the equation, so the equation will be x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equals 0.